everyone, welcome to Homeschool. Your Nalini ma'am is back with another wonderful video, and this video is especially for all the class 9 students out there. You might be going to class 10 next. So maybe you're currently writing your board examinations, or you have completed your class 9 and have entered already to a class 10. Then this is a must watch video for you. And not only for class 9, this video can be for class 10, 11, 12, or even if you are a parent watching this video. Okay, if you are a parent who is helping your child in understanding science, no matter what class it is, okay, you are helping your child to understand science, then this is a must watch video for you. Watch till the end and you will get amazing insights in a video. Okay, fine. See, basics. What I say is the basics nowadays, the basics is equal to confidence and clarity. How many of you agree with this logic? Say, if your basics are 50%, your confidence levels are also 50%. Confidence levels and clarity levels of understanding the concept is also 50%. Imagine if your basics are 100%, then your confidence and clarity towards a particular concept or a subject will also be 100%. So when you have 100% confidence and clarity on the concepts, then where will the mark go? It will follow you. It will come running behind you. Okay. See, 100% result you will get in your life. Okay. Not only mark point of view, in every aspect. Okay. So that's why I changed the definition of success recently. The definition of success is this. Okay, see, when your foundation is strong, the key is foundation only. Okay, so strong foundation plus positive mindset should be positive, plus you should be doing some smart work, right? Which is equal to success. So this is the success mantra. So people say you should be really struggling, you should do hard work. You know that struggle, hard work itself is a negative word, yeah. Okay, see, your mind always 85% of the time at least should be in a positive thoughts. Okay, it should be with a positive intention. Only then you can attract success very easily. I'm not saying this, science is saying this. Okay, right? So, strong foundation, positive mindset, combining with a smart work will give you 100% success guarantee. Okay, so I am working on this aspect of a student. Right? My intention and vision is to bring all the students out from rote learning. Okay, so let me go for the next page. Out. You should be out of rote learning here. Okay, so what do you mean by rote learning? That by-hearting nature, that memorization nature, that mugging up nature, that will never help you out. Okay, so that will never make you enjoy the concept. That will never make you love the subject or love the studies, right? So if you want to love the concept, okay, if you want to apply this mantra in your life, definitely you should come out of that rote learning, and this is my mission, right, as a teacher. So what I have done is I have designed a solid course. Okay, so very solid course on basics. Okay, especially if you are a class 9 entering to a class 10, definitely these basics are mandatory, guys. Okay, mandatory. Imagine in a class, if your teacher writes this formula CaHCO3 twice, or sometimes many a time she would write this, your chemistry teacher would write this formula, or your physics teacher who tell you about a battery, about the circuits. If you don't know what happens inside the battery, if you don't know why you will use battery in a circuit, okay, or she would tell about the different images called the real images or virtual images, right? And your chemistry teacher would be writing complex formulas, something like this. Put a question, do you know the meanings of these things perfectly? Do you know the logic of writing this formula? Do you exactly know how to construct a circuit? What happens inside a battery? How these images are formed? What do you mean by mirrors, lenses, reflection, refraction? Put a question. Okay, and your biology teacher would say a complicated words like chromosomes. Okay, and she would say genes. She would say the word allele, right? And she would be using all these words during teaching, but you won't know the meaning of these things. You don't know how to write these formulas. You will try to memorize, you will try to mug up, where you will not get clarity on a concept, you will not enjoy the concept. What is the point of learning? And the same question, if you ask your teacher, ma'am, how do you write this, how do you write this, what is the exact meaning of this, what is the meaning of this, she would just say, many teachers would say, they are basics. They are basics. Then they won't even try to make you understand the meanings of these words. They just go with the flow, whatever is there in a textbook, right? And they would say, these are basics. Who will tell these basics for you? How do you cover up these basics? Only if you know these things, no, you can enjoy your syllabus, right? See guys, I have come up with a detailed explanation on all these basics. Even if you are zero so far, even if you are zero in the science subject, okay, don't know anything, then also this course is so much apt for you. I have taught everything from zero. I started everything from zero only. Okay, so if you want to become a hero from zero, then this basics course which I have designed for you is a must taken course. Okay, and not just I taught the basics in a course, I have also worked on your mindset, because so the mindset matters a lot. Say you are working, you are studying consistently, you also know the basics, but you still have this fear in your mind, you lack confidence, you are so much insecure, then the things will not come on your way, guys. It's very difficult to score in the exam. It's very difficult to attract the success. So the 80% of your success depends on your mindset. So I have also given tools and techniques to work on your mindset. You know what, I have helped my students to repeat the affirmations. I make my students to write the goal cards. All these are my teaching slides actually, for the students who have taken the basics course. Okay, so I'll also help you out to work on mindset. That's why I told you the course is not only for the ninth graders. Even if you are a parent, right, if you want to teach your child in a proper way, if you want to guide your child in a proper way, then you must go for this course. And where is the course available? Course can be available in our website. We have a new website and a new app where you can use the things effortlessly, okay, without any confusion, and it is so much easy to access. So we have our website www.nalinihomeschool.com. okay, so if you go to this website, you will find a lot of courses on 11th 12th chemistry. A lot of courses are there, but you can just go for the course basics for class 10. So the course name is basics for class 10. Okay, so what I have covered in a course, all the fundamentals required for base chemistry is covered, fundamentals for biology, fundamentals for physics. Okay, so all these are available in a recorded form. Recorded videos are available, and all these recorded videos are interactive. Okay, so you feel as though I am there talking live with you. Okay, so that much interactive, wonderful recorded videos I have designed. Okay, and not only that, you will have one live class. Okay, so I will let you know if you purchase this course, and you will come to know when actually I am taking a live class. In this live class, I will discuss all your questions. Okay, and I will also have one-to-one session. Okay, so I'll give you one bonus one-to-one session. You can like, I'll talk with every individual student along with their parents, and I will give you tips and tricks how to approach class 10. Okay, so how, if you study class 10, things can become easy without pressure and stress. Okay, so for about 15 to 20 minutes I will talk to you personally, individually. You can book one-to-one sessions with me. Okay, right? So all these facilities are available if you take up this course. Okay, and you can download our homeschool. Okay, so we have got a new application, so Nalini Homeschool. Okay, so we have an app called Nalini Homeschool. You can download from Android and Apple also, from your respective play stores. Okay, so you can watch the videos even on mobile through the app. If you want to watch it on PC or anything, say, you can buy the course through our website too. Okay, and the links are provided even in the description. You can go and purchase and enjoy the basics, and the course is available at the most affordable price. Okay, so ma'am, why did you keep price for this course? Give it for free. You know what? Knowledge, of course, knowledge, when it is given for free, people will misuse it and people will not be that serious. If I have to be accountable, I'm talking to you personally, I'm taking a live class, I am being accountable for your success. For that accountability, you need to pay something. Okay, right? So and as I told you, my mission is to bring all the children out from rote learning, and since you all are students, I don't want to keep all this for heavy prices like others. So I am keeping my prices at the most affordable things. Okay, so they are all very affordable. Okay, so that you can access easily and you can connect to me directly and talk to me and enjoy the course. Okay, so that's all about the video. And please guys, you have to change the definition of success. Then nowadays, if somebody says for success you have to struggle, you have to do hard work, please, that's a whole school concept. Okay, say that struggle, hard work itself are negative words here. Okay, so change the mindset is very important. So you 80% is your mindset, 20% is your smart work. Okay, so that's it. Say here, to crack the class 10, three things you should need. One is mindset, second one foundation, your basics have to be strong, and third one is a smart work. Okay, so these are the three things, more than enough. Success will follow you, mark will come running behind you. Okay, you no need to go for mark only will come behind you. Like that you have to study. Okay, so that's all about the video, and share your opinion about the video, and how far you are good at fundamentals, you type in the comment section. Okay, so ma'am, I am good at this, I am bad at this, whatever it is, you can share your opinion about the video in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the course.